We installed a Ghost 2 immobiliser on this Audi RS Q8. Now let me demonstrate this. So if you come round, so if you try to start the vehicle, like so, it will start. But as soon as I put into gear, it cuts out. So you can't drive the vehicle. Now what we need to do is turn the ignition on and enter the code. Now what we'll do, wait for the 2 flashes, which is what we get now. Now we can start the vehicle up. And now, if I put it into drive, it would actually drive. Or put into reverse, it would actually put into reverse. So it doesn't actually stop the vehicle from starting, but you can't actually drive the vehicle. So put into gear, whatever, drive or reverse, will just cut the engine dead completely. And then if you try to start it after that, it will not start. The code itself, I've basically set something that's really basic, but when the customer picks the vehicle up on the handover, we'll change it to the unique code that they want it to be. And they could change it whenever they want to as well. So it can be very unique. So that's the Ghost 2 immobiliser that's installed on this Audi RS Q8.